How to design thumbnail for shorts in Picsart. Want more clicks on your YouTube shorts? Here's how to design an eye-catching thumbnail in Picsart. First, open a new canvas and set it to 1280 into 720 pixel for YouTube. Add a bold background color or image to grab attention. Use the text tool to add a short, punchy title with a big or clear font. Place a cutout of your subject or key visual element on the canvas to make it dynamic. Balance your layout, tweak colors for contrast, and export as a high quality JPG. Do you like clean or colorful thumbnails? Say your style in the comments below. Use high contrast colors and avoid clutters so your thumbnail looks great even small. And that's how you can design thumbnail for shorts in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.